Husna from the case say, is the niyyah before the prayer required? It's a must. And niyyah is a pillar before every act of worship. Yani, if I'm due to perform ghusl, and I didn't prepare an intention, I just took a shower, like everybody else. Have I performed ghusl? No. I washed everything, but I didn't really perform niyyah. What is the niyyah? The niyyah is to intend to lift the major impurity. Making wudu, why? In order to be able to pray. Going to the masjid, why? To pray this particular prayer. Getting up at night to pray, this is nafl or fard prayer. Formulating an intention is a must, but how? Do I have to pronounce it? No. And niyyah is only in the heart. The word niyyah, we have some Arabic viewers. And niyyah is taken from the nucleus, from nuwah. The seed of the date, we call it nuwah, because it is hidden. We can tell what kind of seed, big, long, small, short, because it is hidden within the flesh of the date, right? So a niyyah must be hidden, and its sincerity is something between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it must not be uttered. You know, when I pray in the haram next to somebody who keeps saying, you know, we already made takbir, and the Imam started the recitation and says, Oh Allah, I here in front of the Kaaba intend to pray Dhuhr 4 rak'ahs behind the Imam of the haram. What is this exactly? None of that is valid. Whom are you telling that? Allah already knows that you came to pray Dhuhr. But you prepare this intention in your heart. So you must have an intention, and it must be sincere before every act of worship, whether it's tahara, charity. Wait a minute. Let me give you a better example, a better as far as the clearance. 20 bucks, I gave the 20 bucks to somebody. What is this 20 bucks for? Was it a debt that I owed him? Or is it a mandatory zakah? Or is it sadaqatul fitr? Or is it voluntary charity? Who determines? My heart. النية محلها